Did you know you can do better on a maths test just by reminding yourself who you are? Who am I? Am I Jean Valjean? Back in 1999, there was a study by Spencer Steele and Quinn where they took a bunch of men and women and they gave them a really difficult maths test to do. And in one group, that was all they did, and the men and the women got the same average score. They both performed equally well. But in the other group, just before they were about to take the test, everyone in the room was told, in the past, women have not done very well on this. Even though this line was made up, it wasn't real, it wasn't true, it was just something they fabricated for the sake of the experiment, the women actually performed worse than the men. Researchers over time have gone into a lot of detail as to why they think this happens, but what I wanted to do was share with you something that could actually be an active step that you could take. So that if someone tells you a bunch of nonsense and gets in your head, you can fight back and you can get the test scores that you deserve. Woohoo! In 2005, a study by Greske, Ake, Lord and McIntyre asked 3 groups of people to, you guessed it, take a maths test! Yeah, baby, what a fun afternoon. Not all the groups were told women suck at maths, or something along those lines. One group then just took the test straight away, but the 2 other groups were given a little task to do. They were asked to make little maps of their identities. The first group were told, they've not got a lot of time, you've got to just do a really basic one, and it's quite this sparse, limited kind of diagram. Unfortunately for this group, the impact of the negative stereotypes still pervaded. But the final group was instructed to make these really detailed maps, so adding information about their hobbies, any clubs they belong to, and any other roles they have. Whatever makes you feel like you. And for this group, men and women performed equally well on the maths test. How cool is that? Now, something else that I came across was that there's another way. Taking a fake name. 2012, a study by Zhang, Schmader and Hall found that you could give men and women, again, a difficult maths test, but for some of the participants, they were given a fake name. It was already written at the top of their exam paper, and it could be one that's traditionally seen as male or female. Didn't matter. As long as you had a fake name, the women performed just as well as the men. So it seems like if you want to negate the effects of stereotype threat, all you have to do is either really remind yourself who you are, or just completely throw your identity to the wind.